What is up, YouTube fam? Today we're going to be changing out this tired, old, incandescent interior light, and I guess it's a map light. We're going to change those out for some LEDs. This is what came in the box. This is a 2008 Tacoma. So it came with the front dome light. There's two in there. Vanity mirror light. My truck actually doesn't have that. Those are on the newer ones, I believe. Rear dome light. Okay. And then license plate, which I'm not going to be replacing because I've already put in some. So we're just doing this and this. Comes with this handy dandy little tool. So let's get it going. Alrighty, Aphrodite. First thing we got to do is take out this cover. Alright, there we go. See the clips right there. Now we got to get that bulb out. Alright, this time I really tucked it in there and made sure I wrapped the tape around the bulb as much as I could. Let's see if it actually works. Woo! It worked. Good idea. I'll give a shout out to the guy who showed that trick on YouTube. All right, time for the new one. This time I'm actually going to wear the gloves because I heard you're not supposed to touch the LED lights. I'm guessing you're not supposed to touch the little electronic things. I don't know what they're called, diodes or something like that. Leave a comment if you know what they're called. These little things right here, the yellow things, you're not supposed to touch those. All right. So now we're just gonna slide it into where the other one was. Okay, there it is there. Just got, let's test it, see if it works. Ooh, oh yeah, it works. Let's put the cover on. There we go. Before and after. Let's do the other side. So I actually thought that trick worked pretty good. Take some electrical tape and just wrap it around the bulb. Make sure you get it in there good. So what I would do is start in the back and then wrap it around the bulb like so. Just like that. And then you should be able to pull on it. There you go. It's out. All right, slide the new one in there. It works. Okie dokie. Boom, boom, boom. There we go, baby. Now we just gotta do the dome light. This one right here. So we're just gonna get our little tool in there. And this one looks a little bit easier. Oh, there's a bug in there. Maybe you want to clean this out a little bit. All right, let's pull this one out. Oh, it's out. Ooh. All right, so for this one, I'm just prying it up in there like this. Boom. Okay, so my package came with several bulbs, and it looks like this one matches the best in terms of size. These are all extras. I'm guessing just in case you have like, sometimes some Tacomas have, the newer ones might have more interior lights. So this one only has one. So it's just this one right here. All right, so it's just gonna slide right in here. There you go. It doesn't work. Okay, well, I guess I just didn't put it in there right. I just moved it right now just a little bit, and it works now. So just check your placement, make sure it's set in there right. You might have to move it around a little bit, but yeah. And just put your cover back on, and then you should be good to go. And there we go, done. So that's how you upgrade the LED lights inside your Toyota Tacoma. Thanks for watching.